Okay, today's the day. We're heading to, well, Vermont, and then we're going to our destination, which is then south of Vermont. Yeah, I'm using my water bottle to wet my brows because if I don't, I can't get them to stay up. So annoying. So yeah, going to Vermont and then picking up his snowboard and then coming back down to go to Upstate New York to a cabin with our friends. Not sure if I have that clip before, but I'm explaining it again if not. So, and now I'm getting ready before we leave. And I'm running late, but I'm waiting for Alexis to drop off the car. I'm so excited. We got the car that I love, love, love. It's the Lexus LS, and literally the back seats like recline. Like you get your own seat in the back and you have a touchpad, you could like recline and stuff. The car is just like literally unreal and it's brand new. It's just really nice to be able to work with them. I feel so lucky. But yeah, getting ready, running late as per usual. Okay, got ready in time. Now the last thing I need to do is just eat breakfast. So hopefully the timing works out. Dan's all ready to go.
Yep.
Hey, we are ready, about to head out. I need to put on my jacket, obviously. Got my bag down there. Everything else is in our like stairwell, waiting for the car to get here. And now I just need to eat some breakfast because I don't want to be hangry. Quickly made a little like healthy egg wrap on a low carb wrap for the road because I don't know if I can get something healthy. So I got avocado, cheese, turkey, egg whites, and then the low carb wrap. Lugging everything down is fun. The car's here and it's pretty much packed. Now I just gotta bring the rest of it and meet Dan because he's out with it. Sorry for the lame filming. We did it and we're on time. Starting route. Last stop. What's the most important stop?
If arrived destination is in your left.
And I got super lucky and I got this main room and I'm really excited because there's a bathroom and I laid out all my clothes to shoot here, so this worked out really well. Got the nice window. I feel so dead. I didn't have lunch. And I'm gonna go downstairs and make some snacks. But I just wanted to like plan out content and make sure that was like all situated, which is nice to have this all lined up. I have like my mood board set for the content I want to create. And I'm just kind of nervous because drinking, I get the worst hangovers no matter how much I drink. So kind of nervous about that. So we'll see. I'm gonna try my best and I'm gonna get it done regardless because that's a boss move, right? So I am now ready. I'm feeling a little bit hungover, but that's okay. We're gonna tough it out anyway. I have my tripod here and I'm gonna go out and shoot. Everyone's skiing, besides our friend Lexi. She actually stayed behind. We had a really nice morning chatting, listening to autumn jazz, and it was just a nice relaxing morning. And now it's like 2 o'clock and I'm gonna head out and shoot before everyone gets back. Hopefully I'll get 3 looks in, I'm not sure, but let's see how this goes. Okay, out here in the freezing cold by myself taking photos. I'm pretty much numb by now with my tripod. So yeah, this is the look. I don't know if this is even showing because I can't see. And I'm freezing my ass off. So hopefully got some good ones. I'm gonna go inside, change, and then get some more and come back out. I made this little thing so I could shoot. And I'll show you the little walkway. So this is the walkway I made. I shoveled a bit so I can get out here. Set up the tripod and made that little thing by stomping so I can shoot because the snow is so deep. But yeah, here's the look. I shot with my tripod pretty much all day, so it's nice to have someone who's taking my photo right now. So bless you, Dan. Yeah, I got a whole brown fit on. You know I've been loving brown.
Looking like a Hershey Kiss.
Like a Hershey Kiss. And look at this pretty view we have here. Open this nice sludge and ruin my nice white boots. Here we go. This is our cabin. Welcome. Come to my crib. That's a big ass icicle. For real, that's huge. Pretty. So I just got this package in from Madalux, and I dropped the card, but they sell luxury designer items up to 70% off, which is literally insane. And they just gifted me some pieces, and I am so excited to show you guys what's inside. Okay, so first up we have this Balenciaga sweater, and I'm in love because, you know, it's plain, so it's not like, which I love because I could wear it all the time. It's not really like super like and I really love this because I could wear it all the time. It's like a staple piece because it doesn't have like any crazy logos on it and everything, and it's so soft, and the color is absolutely perfect. And then these sunglasses, which are major. I am so obsessed with these. This trend is like super in right now. And these Gucci ones just look really sick on. I'll show you in a second. And then I got this Gucci scarf, and it's cool because it's reversible. So I could also do it in a lighter color or brown on the outside. Let me show you what these look like on. Look how cool they look. I'm obviously in my PJs, but I love them.